a great choice today with the 2017 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, security system, heated front seats, electronic stability control, trip computer, compass, fog lights, power windows, CD player, rear window defroster, panic alarm, brake assist. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.